Hey guys, what's up? My name's Ronan Vico, and this video I'm going to talk about the Microsoft Edge, but not the Microsoft Edge itself. I will teach you some tricks that can be really useful using the Copilot. The Microsoft Edge is from Microsoft, and because of that, we have the Microsoft Copilot available at the software. Also, every single company that I worked with had the Microsoft Edge available because the Edge comes with the Microsoft Windows, right? And that's why I'm teaching this trick where you can use the Microsoft Copilot at your default browser so you can be more productive, right? The Microsoft Copilot cannot control your browser by clicking or sending keys into your website, but the Copilot can read the data and also navigate to other URLs. So basically I can send here, please navigate to Google and find me a coffee shop at London. Just an easy prompt here to navigate to the Google, and we can see all the data here. But of course, I cannot click at the links. If I ask here, please click at the first link available, we're going to see that the Copilot are not able yet to do this at your browser. He cannot click it, but he can get the link from the browser and open a new tab. That was what he did here, okay? So what I'm proposing here is that we use the data from our tabs to have a resume, to have insights, or even build a document or something like that to use in other software. Let's say that I'm not 100% sure about the information at this page right here. I can ask for something like, please get the top 3 coffee shop that you think is the best. So I can use the Copilot to understand the information at the website that I'm at and bring in a resume or even take an insight for me. So here's the top 3 that the AI said that this is the best for me. And the Microsoft Copilot at Edge now can access all the tabs that are opened. So here we can see that is we have one tab more 2. So if I ask a question here, he will read all the information in all the open tabs, and I can change that by selecting just one or more tabs. But by default, he will answer based on all the tabs that are open. What is really cool here is that I can also take a picture and ask for something in the tab. So let's say that I want to capture a screenshot here. I will click here. I will select this place, this specifically phrase right here. I will add and I will ask, what is this? And he will answer for me based on the screenshot. That's really useful, right? So he did a OCR right here, and let's say that I couldn't read, but now the AI helped me. Other thing that is really useful here is that I can use the AI. Let me open a new chat here to help me study something. So here I am at the license options for Microsoft 365 Copilot, and we can ask it for something like, do a 20-line summary for me, and what we will have here a 20-line summary, all the important information about this tab right here. And with that, I can also select this option. This is a make a test. This make a test will create a test where I can answer and see if I am really understanding the data. Here we can see, this is in Portuguese, I'm sorry, but basically he's asking me questions about the page, and I can see if I'm really understanding or not until I get it right. I can do here that's really useful for your productivity on your dailies to connect on the Outlook or even the Microsoft OneDrive, for example. My Outlook is already connected, so I can ask for something like that with this summary build an email and send to, I will insert here my email. So with this summary, build an email and send to this mail right here. And after I hit enter, because he is connected to my Outlook, he's able to create a draft where I can click send, and here's it. So he insert a subject and to here. I can change it. That's really cool, right? So I can change it, but we will have all the data right here, and I just click send. When I click send, it's able to send the email because he's connected to my Outlook. If I open my inbox right here, here is it. I have the email that was just sent. That's so cool because instead of I opening my Outlook or saving this data somewhere, I can just use the Outlook connected to my Copilot. So we can be a lot more productive daily using the Copilot to understand a web page or opening multiple tabs and using the AI to check a product, which product is better, or I don't know, explore data at your own SharePoint. For example, you can open multiple SharePoint and ask about this data. So it's really useful, and I am using a lot to learn something new using the test method and also asking questions about the browser data. Let's say that I am building a blog post about this info right here. I can ask for an image. So create an image for my blog post about this data. He will generate an image based on the Microsoft 365 for me. Here is it. We have an entire image that I can just save or copy and use at my blog, for example. I don't know if you're going to use that or not, but leave down below your feedback about this content, the Microsoft Edge with Copilot. I want to know from you if you use this tool or not, if it's useful for you. For me, it's being really useful, so that's why I'm recording this video. Also, write down the word coffee on your feedback, and I will know that you watched the video completed. It's a way of knowing who likes the content and watch it completed. Hit the thumbs up, share this channel so we can keep creating content with quality for you, and thank you so much for watching. We see you in another video, in another class, and please consider to subscribe.